Hey everybody, welcome back to Nutshell Living. If you've been following the channel, you know for the past month and a half or so, I have been renovating my beach cottage rental, and I wanted to show you what I've been up to in the bedroom. It's one of the rooms I've completed, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And remember, I am on a pretty strict budget because I just renovated another cottage on the same property. I wasn't really ready to start renovating this cottage at the same time, and I tried to stretch my styling dollar. Let's flash back to what the bedroom used to look like. And it's interesting, I wish I took a picture of how the previous tenants had decorated the bedroom because it really felt so crowded. And for some reason, this cottage just feels really spacious, especially the bedroom. So take a look at what I've done. And you guys who have been following the channel, you know how much I love this liquid starch wallpaper that I made using this vintage print of people having a grand old time surfing in Hawaii. Love, love, love. And I love it even more that it looks kind of like the art piece in the room without taking up any space, which is perfect for a small space. So when you walk in the bedroom, it feels so serene because of the color green that we chose for the walls. I'm really happy I went with green. That sage green is so pretty. It's Benjamin Moore October Mist for those of you who are interested. It's really worth a try to get a sample of that and see if it will work in your space. Now for this space, I actually started with the rug. I just fell in love with this rug. It was very affordable and very durable. And so I started with this rug, which had like really nice mauve, browns, and greens. It really played a nice contrast with the walls. I wanted to have bedding that had a lot of cozy textures, knits and cottons and linens. And you know how I love a good stripe, so I managed to find these really soft sheets from Target, and I love that they're striped. I picked some bougainvillea this morning. They look so cute. And feels very California, right? I loved this nightstand. Even though it was on sale, I couldn't afford to. I had to put the money elsewhere, like bedding. So I decided to buy this one nightstand and find a similar match. I went with sort of a drum end table made out of wicker, and it was approximately the same height. So I think it works in this room very well. I also decided to match the sage green walls with sage green sconces. The tone on tone of sage green creates a sense of harmony in this small space and doesn't seem to add to the visual clutter. And remember, you guys, how much I fell in love with this little niche that I designated as the home office Zoom call area. And take a look at how it looks. Remember how I started with the idea of a desk, and I went to Lowe's and I bought a piece of butcher block. I love the herringbone pattern. I bought these secondhand metal stools for the trestle base of the wood, and I just love the way it looks. I wanted to include a little vanity mirror. I know that Linda, one of my faithful viewers, made a good comment about how when you're writing or maybe working at a desk, you might not want to have a huge mirror to look at. And I thought that was a really good note. So here, if people want to put on their makeup, they can. And it doesn't have to be such a prominent mirror that they might feel self-conscious doing their work here. I like that note. Thanks, Linda. I felt so lucky when I found this chair. It's faux leather, but it just Oh, it really does feel and look like real leather. And of course, you know, like I love a good caning, and the caning helps the chair look less office-like. It's nice to have something that you can use in an office, but can still live very comfortably in a bedroom. Who would not want to study here or put their makeup on here? It is such a good corner. And look, no filter. The light is so good in this corner. And right next to the office, I didn't really know what to do on this wall, so I decided to hang a plain wood peg coat hook. It's nice when a storage solution can also stand in as a piece of architectural detail on a plain wall. Okay, one room down, bedroom check. Now we've got the living room, the kitchen, and the bathroom to go. So stay tuned for the latest updates on this beach cottage makeover. I'll see you next time for Nutshell Living. Bye.